have another Dollar Tree to Cute Me video. After I put a pattern for sale on Etsy, I like to give you a freebie. So here's kind of a horrifying Halloween decoration, but we're going to turn it into a cute little Halloween outfit. So I had this ghoul skeleton type thing with streamers. I have this little witch's hat, and I have these googly eyes. So the first thing I did was to dismantle the Halloween decoration. I had to use wire cutters. The arms were connected to the head with wire, pretty thick wire, and the fabric was connected by zip ties, and the fabric was more or less glued on, so I just had to pull it apart. And here's the part that was connected to the head. I want to use this gauze. And let's see what else I do. Oh, I took the hat off of this, and I think I'll just tie it on with a ribbon. First thing I did was open up the fabric, and you see that I have a little hole here that where I cut it off of the skeleton head. I'm going to fold it over, and now you see I have a neckline for the doll. It doesn't, there's extra at the bottom, so I'm going to cut that extra off. And you see that I cut the back even with the front. I'm going to cut some fringe on the back. I opened up the back. I sewed under the arms. I put a little hem on it. I didn't sew up the side. For the belt, I pulled out all my ribbons, and I really liked that ribbon, but since the hat was silver, I just used this sparkly ribbon. It's called Diamond Wrap. It says like it's for scrapbooks, so probably couldn't wash it. I used the rest of the fabric, and I sewed it onto the diamond ribbon, and it makes kind of a little apron when you put it on the doll. You could leave it long. It goes all the way down to her ankles, but I think I want it short, so I'm going to cut it the same length as the costume that's already on her. I glued the googly eyes on the front of the little apron. I sewed the gauze onto the hat and put the ribbon on the hat to hold it on her head. I cut the skeleton hands off of the decoration, and I used a ponytail tie and just kind of stuck that up. Be careful you don't scratch your doll with the wire. I grabbed 2 socks out of my closet, and I made one into like a little tube dress, and I made these tights. I have a video on that. I used the skeleton head. You could cut a little hole and pretend it's the trick-or-treat bag, but I just left it like it was, and I'm going to put it on her arm. Thanks for watching.